Hey, so welcome. I'm excited here. It's just great to be on the cutting edge of different things. You know, my focus has been on brain-based wellness, and I'm fortunate here to have Dr. Patrick Porter, the developer, the CEO, a great friend, and he's just such an inspiration and wealth of information. And it's just so excited to be able to bring this information to you about BrainTap. So, Patrick, thanks for being here. Thanks for all the work that you're doing. You're on fire these days. So what's going on? I mean, you've just been, getting people mental health, brain fitness is just a huge topic, and we have a solution for what people are suffering with these days.
What's so great is we have all these ways to measure biologics now, from the brain to the heart rate to all these things, and we can finally prove something that people have known for a long time. Hey, reduce stress, your body functions better. Reduce stress, your brain functions better. Let's get you in the right brainwave state, get you out of that high sympathetic, that fight or flight kind of response, get you into more parasympathetic. It's just great to see that we've always been doing it since the 80s, but now we can prove it.
Right.
And so universities are taking note. We have the National Institute of Health. We've been presenting for them for the last 3 years. We're going to be presenting our sleep study, where we showed that we improved the sleep of coal miners by 70% in 3 weeks. And sustained that even after the study was done. They continued to improve their sleep. So that's where the brain fitness comes in.
And cognitive function, you have a study also, right, with the 30 to 70% improvement, or what is that?
Well, there's a book called Saving Your Brain by Dr. Kelly Miller, and we did a study for him before he did the book. And what we showed is we took all the women in the pilot study were on the dementia scale, just using BrainTap and measuring their brain using a device called New Mind, which can measure neuroplasticity. We had a 49% neuroplastic change. What that means is their cognitive skills went up. We have, you can increase, they're a high delta. What that means is their brain was inflamed. It had a lot of inflammation. When the study was done, they had about 40 to 45% beta, and about 30% alpha. What that means is now they have focus and they have intuition. So now you have the capacity to think, act, and respond with data.
Wow.
But the neat thing was when they were taken off the dementia scale and they measured the neuroplasticity, their sleeping scores improved, their capacity to exercise, because the next phase was to show them how to build muscle. That's also a brain fitness exercise.
Mm-hmm.
But we showed them the first thing we had to do is get your brain online.
Wow.
And this is the part of the brain we're talking about here is the hippocampus. Because if you're under stress, this part atrophies, and then you can't go retrieve your memories. They're there. It's like having a computer where you damage the hard drive. You know the information, so you got to go find an expert to go get that memories. So what we say is, if we can get you before you get diagnosed with Alzheimer's or even with dementia, we can keep your brain at peak performance. And nowadays we're all getting older, so we want to keep our brain fit. And it's something we do every day, but as long as you do something every 72 hours, your brain is going to see an improvement.
Yeah, it's fascinating. And so also then, what you're talking about, I mean, the cognitive functions. What was the study? Wasn't it a 37 or 70% improvement?
Yeah. The one study we did with just overall people, that was a stress reduction study, where it was 38.7% across the board neurological improvement in a one session. And then what we showed was if you did it three times a week, which is minimal. We want you to do it 3 times a day if you can at first. But we did it 3 times a week just to see what happened. That became their new baseline, which meant that 30% improvement, now they wake up in the morning with that improvement. That's the way they function. So over time, the more you do it, it has a cumulative effect on them.
Wow. So, and is there anybody who cannot benefit from BrainTap?
Oh no, everybody can benefit. Some people might be a little light sensitive, like 2% of the population. That means if you're going down a country road and the flickering of the trees, that nauseates you, you just don't use the lights. But it's like a game, any of these computer games kids play. They always say if you have epilepsy, don't use this. We recommend the same thing. We've never had that happen, but it's just something that you'd know it. If you're photic epileptic, which is a very small group of people, then you can use the earphones, because that same study that was 3 weeks, we did that study with just the app and it took 6 weeks.
Wow.
So you can do it with the app.
And in 6 weeks change, in 6 weeks you make a change. Yeah. So fascinating. It's so exciting. So hopefully you see the opportunity here for yourself. Maybe you have some loved ones or friends or other family members who have some type of cognitive function, but with the levels of stress going on these days, there's nobody is escaping from it. So this is exciting that we have the research backing it up, showing the improvements that it makes, and it's just so exciting. So I'm excited to bring this information and share with the man himself, so Dr. Patrick Porter and BrainTap. So Patrick, any last parting thoughts on it?
Well, I always tell people, don't let other people define who you are. You're far greater than you've been led to believe. We just have to activate it. Most people will agree we're only using a small percentage of our brain's potential. So let's activate that for health and vitality and get your brain working. We should have a highly functioning brain until we pass. Because, that's the way it used to be.
Right.
So there's no reason we can't do it today.
Wow, so great. So Dr. Patrick Porter, BrainTap, Dr. Tom Lankering here, and excited to share this information. Give me a like, give me a share, let me know what I can do to help, and also you can go to my website and try out BrainTap, complimentaries and trials, and it's just amazing work. It's changed my life, and hopefully we can do some things to help you. So Dr. Tom Lankering, Dr. Patrick Porter, thanks, and make it a great day.